fill in the blanks with has और have. आपको मैंने बताया कि I के साथ have लगेगा और she और he के साथ हमेशा has लगेगा, it के साथ भी has लगेगा. अब देखते हैं. फर्स्ट fill in the blanks है I dash a new bicycle, I have a new bicycle and लुबना गर्ल है और मैंने आपको बताया था he या she हो तो उसके साथ क्या लगता है has. लुबना has a new one too. You have a bad cold, you के साथ हमेशा have लगता है इसलिए हमने यहाँ पे क्या लगाया You have a bad cold but she just has a headache. इसको क्या पढ़ते हैं headache. He has a bat, he के साथ और she के साथ has लगता है. He has a bat, you have a ball and I have the wickets. I के साथ क्या लगता है have. We can dash a match this afternoon. We can have a match this afternoon. और ज़्यादा हो बंदे तो उसके साथ have लगता है. अब ये प्रैक्टिस करने के साथ आपको आएगा. Dash you a pen that I can borrow. Have you a pen that I can borrow? You के साथ हमेशा have लगता है. Anam has many friends. Anam is a girl. And as I have told you that for she and for he, what will be used? Has will be used. What will be used? Has will be. Who has a dog called Snoopy? Who has a dog called Snoopy? We dash a small house in the countryside. We ज़्यादा है तो इसके लिए we have a small house in the countryside. Which animal has a small tail? Which animal has a small tail but a long trunk? Do you dash a sister? Do you have a sister? You के साथ क्या आएगा? Have a sister who has a red bicycle. I have two brothers. They do not have a bicycle. They के साथ भी have आएगा. Zara has curly brown hair. I know you have a shelf है full of story books at home. A giraffe has a long neck. It has long legs also. Birds ज़्यादा है ऐसे लगा हुआ है इसलिए have आएगा. Birds have wings which help them to fly. If a bicycle has two wheels, this is one bicycle, so we are using has. If a bicycle has two wheels, how many wheels do four bicycles have? Now these are bicycles, so we will use have. Complete exercise B on the next page to check how much you remember of what you have learned about the use of am, is, are, was and were. और इस सारे को आपने खुद फिलअप करना है कि इज आर आएगा वॉज वर आएगा या क्या आएगा बिकॉज दिस इज़ अ टेस्ट ऑफ यू एंड डोंट बी कन्फ्यूज्ड दैट आई विल मेक मिस्टेक्स बिकॉज आफ्टर मेकिंग एंड doing mistakes you can become good at anything. Okay, just remember this rule.